What's up? Once again, it's your man, Big John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We got another one for you. 1984 Cadillac Coupe Lowrider. This the owner right here. Wait, go ahead. That's the owner, Jaime.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yo, they know your voice. Oh, no. Like I said, 1984 Cadillac Coupe Lowrider. Y'all see it. Purple with the pearl and a whole lot of the magenta flakes in it. Got the engraved grill on the front. Shout out to Street Dreams for laying the graphics on the roof. Yeah, I ain't stopping my video. I hear y'all in the background. This is the one that used to be candy red. Couple of years back. Brandy wine, my bad. With the candy orange on the roof with the graphics. Customer decided to change it up, come out with the all purple with the magenta flakes in it. Yeah, we got the customer here. Turn his back to us. We got the Coupe family right here.
Big John, once again, word of the best.
Yeah. That's the customer, Jaime. We definitely appreciate it.
Appreciate you, bro.
And look, this is the hardest working man in show business right here. P. Diddy.
Appreciate it, man.
Yo, man, don't cry like y'all did earlier, man. Tito, give me a piece of tissue. Once again, the Coupe family.
4 out of the 6.
There you go, there you go. Y'all know John Restoration. We definitely family orientated up here. But y'all see it. He been trying to leave for 2 days now, but the car looks so good. We might want to hold on to this one for a minute. Oh, and y'all see Betty Boop in the background, because I know people are going to start asking. Yes, we taking Betty Boop off. Changing up the pink and purple, but it's still gonna be pink and purple, but no more Betty Boop. Y'all see it, sand it down. No more Betty Boop. Precious said it's time to just do the two-tone. Take Betty off. So John Restoration, we're gonna switch up the concept of the pink and purple. Still gonna be two-tone, but we're gonna switch it up. Betty coming off. See, Betty done been sanded down. Betty's coming off. John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277. Give us a call, and remember, we got that 26-foot enclosed trailer. We're on our way to get you.